T's and I's are one of my favorite shoulder blade and back strengtheners. You're gonna start in a hip hinged position forward, getting your chest toward parallel with the ground. And then we'll alternate between two positions. One is a T, arms straight out, pinching your shoulder blades together on your back. And then I's like a ski jumper, shoulder blades together, arms lift up. We'll alternate back and forth. And the one main thing to consider is that we are not trying to see how far we can get our arms past our bodies. We're trying to see how much we can engage our shoulder blades on our back. So I'm getting to here by really pinching open, and that's all I've got. If I try and crank up further, that's just coming from my arms. And we just don't need that in order to get the benefit. So think sternum engaged toward your belly button, hips are back, pinch the shoulder blades, pause, and lower, and then back, shoulder blades back and down, and up. For your neck position, you want to be looking a couple feet in front of your feet. If you're looking up in a mirror, you're going to be too extended. If you're looking down at your feet, you'll be too flexed. So you want to find nice length through the back of your neck and find something to look at so that you have a point of stability as you go through the exercise.